Hello everybody, this is a quick walkthrough of the Education City task for today. So I'm going to go start and I just need to log in again. Okay, here we go. Some kind of spaceship situation going on here. Okay, let's just start.
Read the question.
So today we're going to be doing some multiplication and we'll have to use money.
Costs £1.10. How much will it cost to buy 5 tins of soup?
I'm going to have to read the questions carefully. I don't want to do the wrong calculations. So a tin of soup costs £1.10. How much will it cost to buy 5? So £1.10, 5 times. I'm going to do the pounds first for this one, I think. I'm going to do 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. So the £5, and then I've got 10 pence there. 10 pence multiplied by 5, 10 multiplied by 5, 5 plus a 0, 50. So it should be £5.50. Don't forget the point there. Okay, and let's see how that goes. Yeah. Okay, let's see if the next one's a little bit harder.
A bag of sweets costs £1.90. How much will it cost Granny to buy 6 bags of sweets?
Okay, we've got 6 bags of sweets this time, and it costs £1.90 to have one. Do you know what? I'm going to use some paper and a pen to work this one out. Maybe you want to do the same. So you can have the computer screen ready, and I'm also going to be using some paper, which you can have a look at. So, again, £1 multiplied by 6 is 6. And I just want the paper for the second part. So I've got 90 pence multiplied by 6. 90 pence multiplied by 6. So 6 multiplied by 9 is 6 nines. Right, I'm going to do the 9 times table. I'm going to go 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So that should be £5.40. Plus the £6 I had in the beginning, and that should be £11.40 if Mr. Leach did his calculation correctly. Let's have a look.
Excellent.
Yeah. Okay.
Mangoes cost 25p each. How much will it cost Granny to buy 7 mangoes?
So we're using English money here, and that's probably the most tricky thing to think about. So in this question, for example, we've got the cost of 1 mango, 25 pence. Cheap mangoes, by the way. If you see mangoes this price, I'd maybe be a little bit worried about the quality. But anyway, that's what we've got. We've got 25 pence mangoes, and we need 7 of them. Now just be really careful here, because it says pence here, but in the answer, we've got the pound signs. Okay, so we need to do 25 multiplied by 7. Well, I know that 25 4 times makes 100, plus 3 more is 175. So if it was pence, maybe it would be 175 pence. But that's a pound sign. Now, like I said, 25 pence for a mango is pretty cheap. However, I also do not recommend you to pay £175 for some mangoes. That's pretty expensive. So, now we've got 175. Where do we need to put the points? So, 100 pence is £1. Therefore, we need to divide that by 100. So we're going kind of back 2 places. And it's going to be hopefully £1.75. Yeah.
Brilliant.
The rest is all up to you. Just don't forget, when multiplying, you can use some paper to work out the answers, and don't forget to change between pounds and pence. Okay, and it's going to be okay. As usual, just let me know if you have any problems, and we'll work through together. Thank you very much, and good luck.